Hey guys, Joe here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the blade on a Honda Lawn Mower. So this is my lawnmower. I've got a Honda HRX 217. The 216 I believe is a little bit different, but it's the same basic concept. So first off, you want to start by coming over here and turning this little valve to off. It turns your gas off. And then you want to pull this wire to disconnect your spark plug. I don't think, oh man, I don't think that it will start up on its own, but if it does for some reason, you don't want your hands down in the blade. Next, you want to come to this side where the air filter is, and you want to make sure when you tip it over that this is on the top. If not, then the oil will start to drain from your engine and clog up your air filter. You're going to have to change that too. So this is my old blade. As you can see, I bent the blade here. I was cutting grass and decided to get a little too close to a tree stump, and that is what happens when you hit a tree stump with your blade. So this is my new blade that I'm going to be putting on. I got it at the hardware store for about 36 bucks. Not too bad. If you take it in and have someone else replace it, you're probably going to pay upwards to 80 or 90 bucks. So this is definitely a cheaper route to go. My old blade was pretty stuck on there, so I hit it with a little bit of PB Blaster. I highly recommend this. It works way better than WD-40 or anything else out on the market. It's specifically designed just to loosen bolts. I highly recommend using a socket wrench on this. If you use any kind of adjustable wrench or pliers, or you're probably going to strip out the bolt. It's going to be really hard next time you need to do this, or even to just put it back on. So you want to use a 14mm socket, but if you don't have metric, 9/16 works just fine. It's also recommended to put a board in here, so when you crank on the bolts, the board will keep your blade from spinning around, and you'll be able to get them off. I recommend not taking them apart when you take it out, and just lay it down, so that way you can lay down your new blade the exact same way that your old blade came off. And then you can take these bolts and washers, because the new one doesn't come with any bolts or washers, and you just put them in, and that way you can just pick it up and put it right back on. So I've got it back on, and now I just have to remove the board and tip it back up. And you want to connect the spark plug back. Turn the gas back on. And it should crank right up. So that's how you replace the blade on a lawnmower. Most lawnmowers are pretty similar. I noticed that a lot of lawnmowers, like my old one, had just one bolt in the middle that you take off instead of the two on the sides. But I think it's basically the same process for most. Thanks for watching.